Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to FreeCAD Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to save a 3D view of a 3D object as a 2D image. That is, let's say that we rotate the view and that we want to save this view as a 2D image. Let's learn how to do that. There are several ways to do that. First of all, make sure that you properly position this object. Then click on Tools, then click on Save Image. Over here, find the folder where you want to save this image. Let's say I want to save it in my C drive, and over here I will call the file as test image file. Okay, before you click on Save, let me explain you several important things. First of all, if you expand this, you can select the file format. I suggest that you go with PNG file format or JPG or JPEG. These are the standard formats. I don't like the BMP files. Now, also my suggestion is to click on Extended and try to maximize the resolution. So expand here and maximize the size and resolution by clicking, for example, on HD, this option, or you can go even with a higher file, with a bigger file. So let's go with this option. This will actually set the width to be around 2000 pixels and the height around 1000 pixels. Okay, background I usually go with white, and that's it. And after you select these options, simply click on Save and let's see our file. Okay, so if I click here and if I go to my C drive, I will see the file here. And here it is, looks beautiful. Now, you would often like to crop this file. For that purpose, I use a very simple program called Irfan View. You can freely download Irfan View from the internet. So you can start the Irfan View and then you can open the file, or you can simply go here, do the right click and click on Open with Irfan View. And then what do? Usually I select this area, then I do click on Edit, then I click on Crop, and now the image is being cropped. Let me save the image. Let's save it in the original. Okay, let me go in the C drive, and let's save it test file cropped. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I don't have administrator rights to do that, which is kind of artifact of Windows 11. So let's save it in the Alex folder, which is my user folder. For some reason, it looks like the Windows changed something. So let me go now to this user folder. So I will go here, C, let me find the user folder, users, yeah, it should be here, and here it is. Looks beautiful. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons, and see you in the next FreeCAD or machine learning or even robotics tutorial.